MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional heat pump services in Pottstown, PA, delivering efficient heating and cooling solutions for year-round comfort. Heat pumps are an energy-efficient option for maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, and our experienced technicians are equipped to handle installation, repair, and maintenance services. Whether your system needs a tune-up, troubleshooting, or a complete replacement, we ensure reliable performance and optimal efficiency. We work with top-quality equipment and focus on long-lasting results. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for dependable heat pump services in Pottstown, PA, and enjoy comfort and energy savings in every season. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the heat pump services near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides heat pump services in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional heat pump services in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses seeking efficient heating and cooling solutions. Heat pumps are versatile systems that provide both heating in the winter and cooling in the summer, making them a popular choice for year-round comfort. Our experienced technicians specialize in heat pump installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement. What services are included in heat pump services? Heat pump services in Pottstown, PA include installation, repair, maintenance, and system replacement. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides comprehensive services designed to keep your heat pump operating efficiently throughout the year. Our technicians perform system inspections, refrigerant checks, electrical testing, and airflow evaluations to ensure proper performance. What are your heat pump services in Pottstown, PA? Our local heat pump services has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.